Hey everyone, welcome back to PageToPlate. Today we'll be highlighting Nicola Lamb's lemon creme brulee from her multi-award winning cookbook, SIFT. This is the first baking cookbook on our channel to have a second recipe featured from the same book. After tasting this creme brulee, we absolutely had to share it with everyone. Nicola's book is one of our favorites because of how she explains the science of baking. Her recipes are delicious and easy to follow, and this is what keeps us coming back for more. To start, peel your lemons. Cut the lemons in half and reserve the juice for later. Place your lemon peels, heavy cream, and half the sugar in a pot until it's simmering. Promptly remove it from the heat and allow the flavors to infuse for 30 minutes. In another bowl, whisk together the eggs and the remaining sugar. Add the infused cream and lemon juice. Strain everything through a fine strainer. If you notice any bubbles or foam on top, remove with a spoon. Arrange the ramekins in a large baking dish with high sides. Divide the lemon custard among the ramekins. Pour boiling water into the baking dish until it reaches halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for around 20 minutes. Prior to serving, sprinkle the top of the custard with a thin, even layer of granulated sugar. Using a blowtorch, caramelize the sugar until golden brown. Let it cool and harden for 5 minutes before serving. Enjoy your lemon creme brulee. The list of ingredients and links to Nicola's Instagram and cookbook are in the description below. Happy cooking, chefs!